Hi friends, welcome to my channel Testing Talks Latest. Today I am going to explain how to install Cypress on your machine. Cypress is the most popular tool such as Selenium, and Cypress has multiple options such as default wait time and importing format through the tool, and Cypress runs within the browser, so it is comparatively faster than Selenium. And I am going to explain what are the steps to install Cypress in this tutorial, and this tutorial already created in one of my website testingtalkslatest.com, and I'll provide this link in the description of the video. If you need, you can use this link for the reference. For installation of the Cypress, we need to install Node.js. Node.js is available in the link nodejs.org/en. You can click on this link and click on get Node.js and install the latest version for it. This is the Windows 64 version. You can take the Windows installer for that version. It is latest is 24. It can take more than 14 for the installation of the Cypress. Once you install the Node.js, you have to install Visual Studio. Visual Studio is available in the URL code.visualstudio.com. You can download the exe file and you can install Visual Studio. For installing Cypress, we need to create a folder. Let me create a folder for Cypress project. And we need to open this folder which is created under C drive. File open folder we can use and open the Cypress project. Once we select the Cypress project, we have to install Node Project Manager. For that, we have to select. So before that, you have to trust the authors for Visual Studio. Later, you click on View Terminal to run the commands for installation. To install Node Project Manager, we have to use the command node npm init -y. So these are all the steps we already did: create new folder, open folder, and view terminal, open integrated terminal. So initializing Node Project Manager we are doing with command npm init -y. So let me type npm init -y. This will create package.json. Sorry, it is npm. So it will create package.json. You have to accept certain project terms such as where it should be created before creating the package.json. Accept those things, it will create package.json in this format. Once package.json is created, we have to install Cypress via npm. We can use npm install Cypress, and along with that --save -dev to make it for test environment and not for production. So let we install Cypress using npm install and --save -dev. So let we run it. It will install Cypress for this project. Once Cypress is installed, we can execute the Cypress to view the Cypress tool, and we can start Cypress to create the project directory. So as we see, it created package.json. Package.json has some details about Cypress, project name, version of the project, and it will start the project from the index.js, and you have to provide the test name for running a specific test, and anything keywords, author, license. These details are part of the package.json. We can specify those keywords as part of the execution based on the requirement. As we see, Cypress installation has been completed. Once Cypress installation has completed, we have to open Cypress using npx cypress open command. It will open the Cypress, and we can configure the project as part of the next step. So let me open Cypress using command npx cypress open. It is started running under directory updata, and we have to provide the access. Yes, Cypress is started running. We can select any of the tests for creation of the directory. We can use ETE testing. This is for end-to-end testing. Component testing is the manual testing. So based on our requirement, we can select the project, and I have selected end-to-end testing. So Cypress has default reporting option, which is developed as part of the execution, and this is one advantage. We can select the configuration and other related files and click on continue. With selecting all these options, it can create the project structure, and we can specify the browser which we are using for running our test. I have selected Chrome and started the execution. So this is how it will be create the project structure for our Cypress project. As we see, it has fixtures, which is the test data file, commands to place the Cypress commands, and here we can create our project related files and execute those files for the Cypress execution. This is how we can create the project with Cypress. Subscribe my channel for the latest interview questions and tutorials. Thank you.